Hello kids, let's learn some good habits that keep us healthy and happy. Wake up early in the morning, start the day with a big happy smile.
We have time to play.
Brush your teeth every morning and night. Clean teeth make a bright smile. Wash your hands before eating. Clean hands keep germs away. Take a bath every day. Soap and water keep your body clean. Eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Healthy food make your body strong. After playing, put your toys back. A clean room looks nice. Sharing toys with friends is a good habit. Sharing makes playtime fun. Help your parents at home. Helping is kind and caring. Finish your homework on time. Learning new things is exciting. Go to bed early at night. Good sleep helps you grow strong. Great job, kids! Keep practicing these good habits every day.